How to fix Snapchat's sign up problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds like this and then scroll until you find Snapchat, and when you find it, click on it, click on force stop to stop the app, and then click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all these permissions right here. Go back and then click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete like this. And now all what you want to do next is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.